Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, we are going to do some bird photography with my Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi. But like always, we are going to do it a little differently. We are going to explore the bird photography modes in my camera, that is the auto mode, bird watching mode and the sports mode, and see which one works best. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika and welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, especially this camera, my Nikon Coolpix B500. And so if you want new tutorials from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And in today's video, we are going to explore some bird photography with my B500. Like I mentioned, I'm going to try out 3 different modes: the auto mode, bird watching mode and the sports mode, and see which one works best. I have made a similar video with respect to macro photography where I explored 3 different macro photography modes of this camera. You can check it out right here and also with the link down below. But for now, let's dive into bird photography. The auto mode of the B500 kinda works like a manual mode because it allows me maximum capacity to change my settings. First, ISO. I'm gonna set my ISO to the least 125 because I don't want noisy images. And low ISO means that my shutter speed is gonna be low. So to correct that, I'm gonna use a tripod. Release mode, I'm going to set it to continuous high because I want the camera to keep clicking as I press the shutter release button. This feature may be useful because my birds will keep flying everywhere. White balance, I normally set it to auto, or depending on the scene I may set it to daylight or cloudy, but you can pick any white balance preset guys based on your scene, and if you are confused you can keep it as auto. AF area mode manual because I want to manually focus on my subject. AF mode will be pre-focus. And one more thing that I have to set is I want to turn off my digital zoom. So I'm going to go to the setup menu and turn off digital zoom. I'm going to go to this button to the right of OK and lower my exposure compensation to minus 0.7 for white birds and plus 0.7 for black birds. Now that's it with regard to the settings, so let's start clicking. For the bird watching mode, I need to switch to the scene mode, go to the menu and choose bird watching. As soon as I do that, the camera will ask me the release mode, single or continuous. I'm going to choose continuous because I want the camera to keep clicking as I press the shutter release button. I cannot set my ISO and white balance, and my focus is center. As soon as I press OK, the camera zooms in. But I can zoom in and out further as I want. I can go to this button to the right of OK and adjust my exposure compensation too. The best part is the camera does not make any sound while clicking. Next, sports mode. In the sports mode, the default release mode is continuous. I cannot set my ISO and white balance, and my focus is center. But I can adjust my exposure compensation by going to this button to the right of OK. As a conclusion, I think the auto mode works best for me because it allows me to set my ISO and white balance and allows me to use manual focus. And according to me, it makes a huge difference. Yes, the ISO may be a bit low, so it may give me less shutter speed, but I can manage it if I have a tripod. But guys, that does not mean that the auto mode will suit you too. Go and try out these different modes and see what works best for you. The aim of this video is to show you the different modes available in your B500 and see which one is suitable to you. And if you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your photography friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous video, similar video related to macro photography, and here are my 10 tips for bird photography with respect to this camera. Please go check these videos out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.